If you're responsible for one or more intelligent gateways from Sierra Wireless, it is firmware upgrade time again. Why should you upgrade your firmware? You'll find it in the release notes of practically every device that has firmware associated with it. Bug fixes. Updating your firmware protects you from security threats, system crashes, and gets a few of those functions working the way they're originally supposed to. The second reason is new features. Take a look and take advantage of these new features to help you solve more problems and keep your application running at peak efficiency. Speaking of peak efficiency, from time to time, cellular carriers will make technical tweaks to their networks, and these tweaks are reflected in radio firmware upgrades. Not keeping up with the carriers could mean your device would slow down greatly or possibly stop working altogether. Firmware upgrades can be applied through ACE Manager or in bulk through AirLink Management Service. If you are more than 2 versions of firmware behind, you need to be very careful and follow specific instructions to a T in order to not hose things up. In addition, after you upgrade your firmware, always save your template file and make it your new master template file. Never ever apply a template file that was created under old firmware to a device with newer firmware. All this information sound confusing? Here at USAT, we have services available to help you through it. Contact your account representative for more information. Don't have an account rep? No problem. We'll fix you up with one. USAT exists to help solve your most complex end-to-end challenges in the most cost-effective way. We stock top-tier cellular devices and provide engineering and technical services as well as cost-effective cellular data plans. We would love to hear from you and discuss your application.